We made this video with a very specific purpose, to explain what professional interior designers like us actually do. Because it seems to me that interior design is often portrayed, especially in TV makeover programs, as something primarily concerned with soft furnishings, colour, furniture and so on. Of course, colour, cushions, furniture, accessories and the like are all integral parts of most interior design schemes, as we have included here. But for us, they are just a very small part. And when I meet clients for the first time, they're often surprised at the breadth of our work, as it goes beyond styling and just colour. Most of our work involves reconfiguring spaces, building extensions, refurbishment and that sort of thing. A question clients often ask is, if interior designers do so much architectural work, what is the difference between an architect and an interior designer? The answer to that question is quite complicated, but simply I would say an architect comes to a project firstly thinking about the structural integrity of a building, the health and safety, compliance and regulation and that sort of thing. As interior designers, we are conscious and knowledgeable about the architectural intricacies, but our starting point tends to be more about the client's lifestyle, introducing innovation, particularly with new materials and products, future-proofing the outcome of the project and incorporating new technologies. So let's look at how we planned this small space, not just to make it look lovely and appear larger than it actually is, but to make it as functional as possible. This was the original footprint, and this is how we set out to reconfigure it to suit our client's lifestyle. The main lifestyle requirement being the need for 2 separate shower rooms for the couple to use at the same time each morning. Fitting 2 shower rooms into the relatively small footprint was certainly challenging and meant that we had to use every millimetre of available space. To make the most of the space, we incorporated elements like sliding shower room doors, and tiny details like the ultra-slim system behind this panel also optimised space. For this small corridor, we chose this compact radiator, which we had manufactured in a coordinating colour, and at this end we added mirror to the entire wall to also create an illusion of more space. This apartment originally had a very small dated kitchen, which with careful planning we were able to actually double in size. This new kitchen was planned for optimum functionality and maximum storage, including doubling the height of the top wall cabinets. Obviously there is concealed extraction for the induction hob, and to keep things as sleek as possible, all the appliances are integrated. Another lifestyle consideration with this project was that it is not the client's family home, but more of a weekend stopover in London. Therefore, we provided lots of internet-enabled control, especially for the central heating system and the air conditioning. That meant that the client can now set ambient temperatures in the flat long before arriving. The remote controllable central heating system includes individually controlled radiators and underfloor heating to each of the shower rooms. And to make showering just a bit more practical and enjoyable, the digital shower heads can also be remotely controlled. The mirrors automatically demist and have built-in audio speakers. Finally, just to add a little more control, the Roman blinds in every room are motorised and remote controlled. Because the footprint of this property is so compact, lighting is of course extremely important. So as a starting point, we put in 38 ceiling downlights throughout the kitchen, the living room, the bathrooms, hallway and both bedrooms. For additional task lighting in the kitchen, we added under cabinet lights. And just for added atmosphere effect, we added kitchen cabinet plinth lights and in the bedrooms, wall lights beside each bed. Throughout this property, focusing on the finest aspects of aesthetic design, we incorporated some details that are worth a close look. Whether that was running a herringbone floor at a right angle through the entire space, commissioning artwork to be painted to complement the overall colour scheme, or the decor panels we used on these wardrobe doors and the way we've doubled up their thickness, every detail was important. Interior design, as seen in this video, obviously takes considerable planning to execute and project manage, which of course is a significant part of any professional interior designer's job. And it involves bringing together all the construction trades, the builders, electricians, plumbers, carpenters, decorators, and so on. So we put together the team for these projects, specify and plan the complete schedule of works, and supervise every aspect until completion. But we will leave discussing everything involved in project management for another video. It's time to say goodbye.